Hi, this is Xsurge Mech Prince, and today I will show you how to stamp icons on any surface using TinkerCAD. First, load a model you want stamped on. Then, load your favorite icon. Put your icon onto your model. Resize your icon such that it completely sticks outside of the model. Get a cube and enclose the model and the icon within it. You can leave some of the model exposed so that it is still accessible. Duplicate your model by pressing CTRL+D. You will have the duplicate automatically selected. Set it to whole. Group the whole version of the model with the cube to perform subtraction. Make the original model invisible by clicking the light bulb at the upper left. This leaves the icon and the subtraction cube visible. Set the subtracted cube to a whole. Group the icon and the cube to perform another subtraction. Click the light bulb button to make all hidden models visible again. Slightly move the icon for it to completely stand out. Now you have successfully stamped your model. We will do this on 2 more models. The steps are still the same. You can skip to just look at the finished models. Enjoy! And that is it. If you want to print this with your 3D printer with less waste, check out my video on how to save more filament when 3D printing multicolor. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.